How to sign up for Shein VIP. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for the Shein VIP on the Shein app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your Shein app, and then once you're in your Shein app, here tap on me in the bottom right corner. Then here tap on this crown, and you will be taken to the Shein VIP. So this is the Shein VIP. Here, if you want to view rules, you can tap here. Here will be all Shein VIP rewards. You tap on here, view rewards. Here you will see all of your rewards that you got, and then here are the S3 exclusive. So if you tap on more, here you will see all of the S3 exclusives. Then here is the FAQs. Here you will get most of your question answered. So on how do I join the Shein VIP, here Shein says just sign up and you can join in our program. This program does not require any extra fees. You will be upgraded and earn rewards when satisfy the times of eligible purchases or the amount of eligible spending. So after you have just sign up with your normal Shein, you will be joined in the Shein VIP program. And here are other FAQs, and so this is how you can join or sign up for Shein. Thanks for watching.